Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious lemonade slushie using an easy method. First, let us gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 4 to 5 fresh lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 cups of water, and plenty of ice cubes. Make sure all your ingredients are chilled for the best possible refreshing outcome. This simple recipe is perfect for a warm day. Next, we will prepare our lemon mixture. Start by juicing about 4 to 5 fresh lemons to get approximately 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Then, in a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of hot water. Stir this mixture thoroughly until the sugar is completely dissolved, creating a simple syrup. This ensures a smooth, sweet base for our slushie. Now it is time to blend everything together for that perfect slushie consistency. Pour the fresh lemon juice, the prepared sugar syrup, and 2 cups of cold water into your blender. Add about 4 cups of ice cubes. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and has that wonderful, icy, slushy texture. You might need to pulse it a few times. Finally, your refreshing lemonade slushie is ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the slushie into tall glasses. For an extra touch, you can garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Serve it immediately to savor the icy, tangy, and sweet flavors. This easy method ensures a delightful treat that is perfect for any occasion. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.